Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Tate, an online menswear brand that claims to offer everything from stylish cardigans to sneakers. Whether you're trying to look sharp for a date or just want to be the best-dressed guy at the grocery store, they seem to have an outfit for every occasion. But the million-dollar question remains, is this website actually legit, or are you just buying a very expensive digital hallucination? Let's find out. First off, their social media game is surprisingly strong. They're active on Facebook and Instagram, boasting over 30,000 followers on the latter. They actually engage with their audience instead of treating their comments section like a digital graveyard, which is always a good sign. It gives the brand a sense of reliability, or at the very least, it proves they have a social media manager who hasn't quit yet. Next, we dug into their domain registration. The site has been around since July 2023, which the records claim is over 2 years of history. Apparently, they've mastered time travel along with fashion. In the volatile world of online shopping, scam sites usually vanish faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. So surviving this long definitely adds some much-needed credibility to their name. Another point for transparency is their customer support. Tate offers live chat and actually lists a physical address and company details right in their terms and conditions. It's a refreshing change from those mysterious brands whose "Contact Us" page leads directly to a void in the middle of the ocean. It shows they're actually accountable, which is a nice luxury to have when you're handing over your hard-earned cash. As for the clothes themselves, they use quality materials like organic cotton and merino wool, so you won't feel like you're wearing a plastic bag. From shirts to jeans, their collection is versatile enough for any style. Of course, looking good is easy when the fabrics are durable, though I suspect the merino wool might be more sophisticated than most of the people wearing it. Now, let's talk about the reviews, or the lack thereof. Their own website is suspiciously silent, but digging into Trustpilot and Reddit reveals a mixed 3.5-star rating. While many customers praise the quality and helpful service, others have complained about delivery delays and sizing hiccups. It's the classic, it's a great shirt if it actually fits and arrives in this decade situation. So, what's the final verdict? Overall, Tate seems like a trustworthy brand with a solid pulse. They have the social proof, the transparency, and the quality to back it up, even if their shipping department occasionally takes the scenic route. It's a reliable spot for a wardrobe upgrade, but as with any online purchase, a little caution and a measuring tape never hurts. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest takes.